Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome back from Thanksgiving vacation, if you will. I stayed out of the markets purposely on Monday just to make sure that if madness took place, we wouldn't be part of it. We've done our analysis and we're ready to trade Monday night for Tuesday. And that would be 11/28/2023. This is video 2673. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. This video coming at you on a Monday night for trading Monday night through Tuesday. That would be November 28th, 2023. Traders, there's risk involved in trading. Please never forget that. This is a very risky game. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first and never trade any markets without them. Omniacs, I've just made some phone calls to you in the last 24 hours. Get a chance to get back to me if you can. And let's get our OmniCamp dates straightened away so we can have OmniCamp in January. Traders, E-mini S&P Daily Bar. You're looking at resistance being tested. I don't know that the resistance would hold, but until it does not, it is resistance, right? We would never, ever, ever tell something like this as an analyst. We would never, well, sorry, I'm just trying to grab a little tool here. As an analyst, we would never tell something like this that it's not resistance until it breaks above and keeps going. Started here, support here. I wouldn't say this isn't support unless it broke. Resistance, a 1 day underneath, next day settled back in, so you had 1 day below only, the next day was straight back up. Resistance here again, so it's kind of revolving in between this, and maybe, just maybe, we're testing some resistance on Tuesday because my Omni went red for us for trading Monday night through Tuesday. It's a seller of rallies. Now, it's not like a fantastic red signal, but it certainly wants us to sell rallies, to take a short trade first. That's what we will do in E-mini S&P and or NASDAQ if I can get a fill. Hang out with me at livewithoscar.com and we'll see if we can get fills together. What else are we looking at for trading on Tuesday? Another pretty picture here is the gold market. Look at gold. Very smart looking chart right now. Just got above the 200 ball moving average a few days ago, is acting well. We offered targets since down here when the war began, literally the day of the war when they announced it and it started, we announced gold targets. First target gold would hit 1945. Do you know where it was trading before we announced that target? 1845. We said it would go up to 1945 and it did. Boom, hit. Then we gave a second target of 2009. Boom, hit. We've got a third target calculated. We expect it to get there. Nothing goes straight up. As you can see right here, it's not straight up, but it's gone up. Little down. Now I think the next move is up. Nothing goes straight up, but I think it works its way there. So that is target number 3. It is still valid in your gold market. The dollar, if I remember right, let's take a quick look at that. The dollar's pushing down, which I'm assuming pushes the gold market up, right? Look, dollar pushing down, and it is. And a lot of times, not always, but a lot of times when dollar is pushing down, it makes commodities go up. And gold is a commodity. Gold is priced in dollars. So while dollars are heading down a little, Omni wanting to get long gold, at least the puzzle fits, let me say it that way. So back to the gold chart, which was here on 19. Here's your gold, dollar going down, gold going up. At least that piece fits. The Omni says to buy dips in gold, so we will, and that's what we're going to do for now. Traders, more trades, of course, we'll come up with. We're all hanging out at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. Come join us. No credit cards are required. You'll see me there in the live chat room. Barring that, have a great week trading. Put your stops in first and never trade without them. Traders, if you're all going to trade, put those stops in and then say this to yourselves before you use your fingertips to mess things up, to change your stops, to change your orders, to cancel, replace. No, no, no. We come up with a plan, we plan a trade, and then we trade that plan. And I'm very good at teaching that to you. If you need some help, let me know. Barring that, put your orders in stops first and then say this to yourselves. Are you with me? Say it with me, kids. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. That is the truth. Traders, put those stops in first and keep your emotions out of this game. I will see you all live with